Let's check the news from AWS. Here is the rewritten output. The AI Search Flow Builder is now available on Amazon OpenSearch service when you launch OpenSearch 2.19 plus domains. This new feature allows you to design and run AI search flows through a low-code experience free from custom middleware. Using the builder, you can create sophisticated search flows enhanced by AWS and third-party AI services, and simply run them with a single query. Amazon Connect has enhanced the contact information provided through the Describe Contact API, enabling more informed decision-making during and after customer interactions. This update surfaces key insights such as disconnect reasons, recording status, after contact work time, and custom contact attributes in a single API response. Disconnect reason is one of the new fields available in the Describe Contact API, which allows you to programmatically detect when a chat session disconnects due to an agent's network issue, for instance. This enables requeuing the chat for follow-up, ensuring that the customer receives assistance without having to restart the conversation. This feature is now available in all AWS regions where Amazon Connect is available. Amazon Connect now publishes post-contact completion events to the contact event stream, providing real-time insights into when a contact has fully concluded, including the completion of any after-contact work. This new event empowers contact centers with full lifecycle visibility into customer and agent interactions, enabling smarter, faster downstream actions. The precise timing of this event allows for automatic triggering of workflows, ensuring that systems stay in sync and customer service remains responsive. For instance, an automated follow-up ticket could be created once an agent finishes their wrap-up work, leveraging the post-contact completion event as a signal to initiate this process. Amazon VPC IP Address Manager now allows cost distribution to AWS organization member accounts. This feature enables organizations to allocate IPAM costs directly to internal teams for their individual usage. Enabling IPAM for an AWS organization aggregates organization-wide IP address usage and charges the AWS account in which IPAM is created. With this launch, organizations can distribute these charges across member accounts within the organization. For instance, a central AWS account running multiple networking services might want to allocate IPAM costs to internal teams. This feature allows such allocations to be made easily using IPAM cost distribution. IPAM cost distribution is available in all AWS regions where Amazon VPC IPAM is supported, including AWS China regions and AWS GovCloud regions. Note that details on pricing can be found on the Amazon VPC pricing page under the IPAM tab. AWS Launch Wizard now supports deployment of multi-node SAP NetWeaver applications on SAP ASE database. This feature allows for the deployment of multiple application servers at the time of deployment, catering to performance requirements. Deploying SAP application and ASE database components on different EC2 instances enables users to meet their specific application needs. Amazon CloudWatch has launched volume-tiered pricing for AWS Lambda logs, requiring no code or configuration changes. This new pricing starts at 50 cents per gigabyte and tiers down to 5 cents per gigabyte. Additionally, CloudWatch now supports Amazon S3 as a destination for Lambda log delivery, providing additional flexibility in Lambda log management. The pricing for this feature also follows the volume-tiered model, starting at 25 cents per gigabyte and tiering down to 5 cents per gigabyte. Amazon Relational Database Service for MySQL now supports MySQL minor versions 8.0.42 and 8.4.5, which are the latest minors released by the MySQL community. These newer minor versions offer fixes for known security vulnerabilities in prior versions of MySQL, as well as bug fixes, performance improvements, and new functionality added by the MySQL community. Upgrading to these newer minor versions is recommended to take advantage of these enhancements and ensure that your databases remain secure and up to date. AWS Health Imaging now supports DICOM video data, enabling healthcare providers to store and analyze video medical images alongside still images in the cloud. This feature allows for the storage of various video formats, including MPEG-2, MPEG-4 AVC/H.264, HEVC/H.265, corresponding to DICOM transfer syntax UIDs 1.2.840.10008.1.2.4.100 through 1.2.840.10008.1.2.4.108. The stored video data can be retrieved as DICOM instances and directly as video objects. In addition to supporting DICOM video data, AWS Health Imaging has also added support for retrieving lossless images in the JPEG 2000 format. This feature enables interoperability with external applications that consume data in this widely adopted format by allowing users to retrieve both DICOM instances and image frames in the JPEG 2000 lossless format through transcoding from Health Imaging. Amazon Aurora now supports PostgreSQL Major version 17. This release includes product improvements and bug fixes from the PostgreSQL community along with Aurora-specific feature enhancements such as enhanced memory management, faster storage metadata initialization during failovers, and optimized write-heavy workloads on new Graviton 4 high-end instances. The new features in PostgreSQL 17 also include those for Babelfish, an Amazon Aurora-specific security fix, and updates to key extensions including Vector 0.8.0 and PostGIS 3.5.1. Amazon Connect Contact Lens has launched a new real-time adherence dashboard that includes a pre-configured agent adherence widget. This widget supports filtering and sorting on agent adherence metrics, making day-to-day adherence management more efficient for supervisors. The widget allows supervisors to apply filters on adherence status, duration, and percentage, enabling them to quickly identify agents who have been falling behind schedule or exceeding their targets. For instance, a supervisor can highlight agents who have been off schedule for more than 5 minutes, promptly notifying the agents of any breaches in adherence. With this widget, supervisors can simplify the process of monitoring adherence, improving productivity, and enabling faster response times to adherence issues. This feature is available in all AWS regions where Amazon Connect agent scheduling is available. AWS B2B Data Interchange now supports IPv6 on B2B Data Interchange Service APIs. This means that customers can use Internet Protocol version 6 while accessing the AWS B2B Data Interchange Service APIs. The adoption of IPv6 is becoming increasingly important as more and more customers are adopting it to mitigate IPv4 address exhaustion in their private networks or to satisfy government mandates such as the U.S. Office of Management and Budget M21-07 Memorandum. With this launch, customers can standardize their applications and workflows for managing their AWS B2B data interchange resources on the new version of Internet Protocol. IPv6 support is available in all commercial regions where AWS B2B data interchange is available. Amazon Bedrock Model Distillation is now generally available, offering a solution to transfer knowledge from a more capable model to a less capable one with the goal of making the student model performant for a specific use case. This process enables smaller models to accurately predict function calling for agents' use cases while delivering substantially faster response times and lower operational costs. Amazon Bedrock Model Distillation supports the generation of teacher responses, which is then used to train the student model. Additionally, it applies data synthesis methods that are best suited for the specific use case to create a distilled model that approximately matches the advanced model. The distilled models in Amazon Bedrock can be up to 500% faster and 75% less expensive than original models, with less than 2% accuracy loss for use cases like RAG. Furthermore, it offers support for data augmentation for agents' use cases for function calling prediction. Overall, Amazon Bedrock Model Distillation provides a single workflow that automates the process of generating teacher responses, applying data synthesis methods, and training the student model, making it an efficient solution for users looking to create performant models while reducing costs. Amazon Q Developer in Chat Applications now supports AWS Systems Manager just-in-time node access approvals from Microsoft Teams and Slack. This new feature enables customers to monitor node access requests and approvals from chat channels, thereby enhancing their security posture and meeting compliance requirements. Customers can configure just-in-time approval policies for managing node access request approvals in chat applications. When setting up these policies, Users can designate Amazon SNS topics associated with Amazon Q Developer in chat applications configurations for managing node access approval requests. As operators make new node access requests, approvers are notified about the requests in the chat channels. They can then approve or reject access requests directly from the chat channel. AWS announces managed support for Energy Data Insights. AWS has announced managed support for Energy Data Insights on AWS, enabling energy customers to easily deploy, manage, and operate their subsurface data management platform on the cloud. This move accelerates data ingestion from weeks to hours, allowing users to focus on innovation rather than manual effort. With this announcement, EDI on AWS can now automatically deploy and remove the undifferentiated heavy lifting and complexities of deploying, operating, and maintaining an OSDU data platform on AWS. This optimization enables improved resilience, security, and availability of the service. AWS provided managed support for EDI on AWS includes incident management, backup and restore, as well as timely support for application upgrades and patches, ensuring users can stay current with the latest features and improvements. The managed support for EDI on AWS is available in several regions, including in South America. Amazon Route 53 Resolver DNS Firewall is now available in additional regions, allowing users to govern and filter outbound DNS traffic for their Amazon virtual private clouds. This managed service enables the blocking of DNS queries made for domains identified as low reputation or suspected to be malicious, while also permitting queries for trusted domains. The availability of Route 53 Resolver DNS Firewall in additional regions provides customers with enhanced protection against DNS-based threats and improved security posture. By filtering outbound DNS traffic, users can prevent unwanted access to their VPCs and ensure that only authorized requests are processed. For organizations operating in the Asia-Pacific and Mexico regions, this development presents a significant opportunity to bolster their cybersecurity defenses and maintain compliance with regulatory requirements. Amazon Connect has added 5 new metrics and dashboard drill downs for outbound campaigns, enabling users to track the performance of their campaigns with greater precision. The contact lens dashboards now provide reporting on recipients and campaign executions, allowing users to monitor campaign engagement by tracking total outreach against the total number of recipients targeted. This enables users to identify trends and areas for improvement in their campaigns. The new metrics also enable users to drill down into individual campaign executions, examining performance data for each execution separately. For example, if a user runs a campaign every week for a month, they can examine performance data for each week individually. In addition to this, the real-time campaigns dashboard provides a visual representation of the journey of each campaign, from initial targeting to ultimate reach. This allows users to quickly identify any delivery issues that may be impacting their campaign success. The new metrics are also available through the GetMetric Data v2 API and ZeroETL Data Lake, enabling users to integrate these metrics with other data sources or use them for custom reporting purposes. Amazon Neptune Database now supports Graviton 3, Baystar 7G and Graviton 4, Baystar 8G database instances for Amazon Neptune Engine versions 1.4.5 or above. These new instance types offer improved performance and features compared to previous generations. The Graviton 3, Baystar 7G instances feature the latest DDR5 memory, providing 50% more memory bandwidth compared to DDR4, enabling high-speed access to data in memory. They also offer up to 30 gigabits per second of enhanced networking bandwidth and up to 20 gigabits per second of bandwidth to the Amazon Elastic Block Store. The Graviton 4, Baystar 8G instances provide larger instance sizes, with a maximum size of 48 large, and feature an 8:1 ratio of memory to vCPU. They also utilize the latest DDR5 memory, offering improved performance and efficiency. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.